he bring a more different approach to it. You know what I mean? It work more easier, you know. So working with them, rhythm when him knock them different because you know you don't want to work with someone where them brain clog up. Yeah. So we try to work with younger youth where understand the movements, understand Chuck Fender, understand what I stand for, understand the direction of me I go and now I go drop the standard.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week, we're there in the Sun City, you know. Yeah, man, Portmore for sure. And we're there at par with Living Fire, yeah. Chuck Fender, one party.
Yeah, man, we're there, Tina, man.
Yeah, man. It's been a minute.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
But we're glad to see the eye and...
Yeah, man, I don't know.
We see the
back of field.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we see the works not stop, Bridget.
No.
We see the works not stop.
We only can get bigger and hotter now, you know?
Yeah.
Man, we give thanks and grateful for everything. Man.
Yeah, man. But before we jump into the music, though, Fender.
Yeah.
Just, tell me what going on with you, just generally.
Alright, generally right now, like I said, you know what I mean, we just get home, we can't fly.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, through the whole pandemic. So we just, studio every day as you can see, you know what I mean, with the Fire in studio every day, you know what I mean, with the Fire Royal studio, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You don't know, we spend more time with the youth them, you know what I mean, whole heap of exercise as always, you know what I mean, eat right as always, pray as always, so, you know what I mean, the formula never changed, no, the formula not changed from Fifth Element days,
Yes, sir.
From Element
from
days,
time there.
you know what I mean, sometimes we might falter a little bit, but you catch back yourself because you don't know, it's a way of life, so you don't know, we have to dip on it because it's a way of life, so we just dip on it and then so we just have to just continue move and dip on it. Sometimes we might fall off a little bit and maybe do, but we catch back yourself as we said and just move forward, see me. But you know what I mean, we're there, hold it firm, see me and I do what we do and do what is right, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man. So, tell me something though, because we know say you must have an opinion on the whole vaccine thing though, because people been getting vaccinated, but some have their reservations about it.
Exactly.
What says you?
Honestly, I have a lot of friends that take it.
Yeah.
But me personally, not really dig it, honestly. I can't do it. See me still that's the God now, you know what I mean?
Why?
We just don't believe in it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Which me don't want lead no one wrong we want to do it.
Right.
It's a man opinion.
Everybody have them.
Each person choose to do what they want to do and do it. But me personally, I don't see myself a take that. You see me I deal with it. If people call for show, like even a person call for K-Man.
Right.
The promoter said, I have to go come and quarantine for 2 weeks. Or I take a vaccine and quarantine for 5 days.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, man, me quarantine
for
only
2 weeks.
Yeah, me only 2 weeks. They say, yo, I only pay expense that for him and for hotel and all of that. So I say, yo, so you know, have an Airbnb, Airbnb.
Yeah, man, you must can find something,
But, then one of my close friend, close friend, me and him par every day, me and him the studio every day. Elder still,
Yeah, man.
And then one day into racers and thing, and him take it. And then a couple weeks after that, him have a massive strokes. So me I deal with, then him have a blood clot. Me don't know if the vaccine caused it, but me that tell him say don't take it. But he must say, his mother say if take it, his sister say if take it, and me I tell him say, yo, daddy, wait first, man, I better take it. But then him go take it, and that happened to him. But you know what I mean? So
how is he now? Him still
half him paralyzed. But he left and went to the States go take it. He never take it out of Jamaica.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Him go overseas go take it.
Yeah.
But him over there, I tell me, say, him go in go take it. And I said, no, daddy, hold on first, man. You see me, I deal with nobody do it yet. And that kind of really jerked me again. Because I'm a close brethren and then for call him on video call and see the state of mind and the condition of him, it kind of really touched me still. You see me, I deal with
Yeah.
So, but let me say, for me personally, me know say me not gonna take it.
Yeah, watch and see what I go on.
Even watch and see because I know say, yo, hear me. Nah, I take that, So any country now when I come there, in the country require that.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm not go see them. Honestly, man, okay, man, can't. But I'm not gonna tell anyone say, yo, don't do it. Cause each person to their own. So I deal with.
True.
So I don't know if I just saw, but I'm not gonna go on with it. Cause my thing, me naturally, my body I just be a natural thing. The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof.
Yeah,
so I be a vegan. So everything we put in my body have to be organic, natural.
So
you know what I mean?
Since you touched on that, Fender, tell us a little about, you know, your whole nutritional, you know, upkeep. What the kind of food they eat and
alright, so wake up in the morning.
Exercise.
Yeah, so wake up in the morning, me then jog far. Me then jog say me jog from Mega Mart, go up to the soldier camp or something. That's for instance.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
yeah.
And then so these are the things we do. For long jogging.
Yeah. Not even walking up people, man. Jog it out.
Me used to jog every day. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, so you don't know it get more slimmer. So me just start jog.
See that?
Start jog every other day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because you have to fit in your mind. You have to mentally fit in. You have to, and as you go up in the age and everything, your body tear down. You understand? So you have to really have the structure up there. You know what I mean? So from my youth days we are jog, but we continue it. You know, we did fall off on that time, we just continue jog every day. You know what I mean? We drink water with green juice. Drink a whole heap of green, we drink a green juice, 2 green juice, one in the morning, one before we go to bed, you know. So we believe, you know what I mean? We're not eating a fish, you know, we used to love fish, but when we check
so all fish you cut out now?
All fish gone. Because we just love fish. But when we check back the research on fish and see say your fish full of mercury. And mercury slowly kill you. You know what I mean? So you don't know. That is the bad thing about fish. A lot of people don't know say fish have so much mercury in it. And mercury mash up your brain cells and your memory, mash up your body. You know what I mean? You know, it bring a lot of mucus in your body. So we kind of leg of fish. So it's just about earthly things. You know what I mean? Beans and everything, the lentil. You know what I mean? Naturally. You know.
Outside of all of that though, because you know as entertainers.
Yeah.
When I know the whole heap of drinking and you know drink?
No, you never drink.
no alcohol to the system.
Because I can't. No, I'm mind off a right.
Yeah.
So I lick alcohol from ever since. Some of you days have come up.
Yeah.
I never like alcohol. So I did this and I couldn't drink. So man probably give me a drug and then drink alcohol, I'll fight and jump and
so I
don't really drink alcohol none at all.
Yeah.
I don't smoke no cigarette, none at all. No cigarette and them things there, you know what I mean? No form of hard drugs, none of them things there.
Just the herb, just the marijuana.
Yeah, just herb. So me I did it. So I'm a naturalist. So me I tell you, I just natural thing I put in my body. So that's why me I say, if me go put all the vaccine in my body, it probably react different because my body not used to that.
Yeah, used to
you say me I go to them and go to boom and eat something and salt tonight, my antenna them go up to I even sugar, I couldn't tell when last me eat with sugar like sweet bun or in them type of thing that we contain sugar in it. So me I deal with. So it's a really hard thing, but you see the benefit, right? Because you don't know, we keep, like we said, we just continue to stay up on the part there. You know what I mean? And exercise, eat right, and everything. Yeah. People have said, but what you do it and we must dead one day, but they want to feel good every day because you don't know if a man have to go up on stage and energetic.
Yeah, man, you have to full of energy.
You see me I deal with some my thing, my performance. You know what I mean? And then you don't know, you have younger artists who come.
Right.
So you have to try you have to keep up with them.
Yeah, man.
You see me I deal with so. You see me? Yeah, so your whole thinking are gonna be different. You know, your reasonability are gonna be different. You know what I mean? Everything boy are gonna be different. You gonna see. So, you know, we just keep it at vegan level. You know, when I tell me so like me say we love fried fish and them thing there. But then we just cut out fish and I say fish are joke, nothing fried neither. Not eat nothing with fried, no fried food, none at all.
Yeah, I know.
So, you know, I went with everything out of steam, like vegetables and it's, you know, you can make lentil burger, walnut burger. You understand? So all them things they can make them in a burger and everything there. So
it sounds like Fender if you own a vegan restaurant because
it looks true.
Yeah, man. As you mentioned though, Fender, about the younger artists them.
Yeah.
How you as somebody who has been in the business for more than a minute now.
Yeah.
How you maintain that relevance?
That voice of a Firewind as a younger producer, you know what I mean? You bring a more different style. Him bring a more different approach to it. You know what I mean? It work more easier, you know? So working with them, rhythm when him knock, them different because, you know, you don't want to work with someone where them brain clog up.
Yeah.
So we try to work with younger youth where understand the movements, understand Chuck Fender, understand what I stand for, understand the direction of me I go and now I go drop the standard.
Yeah,
so for them nowadays experience will then be different, you know, the approach it. So what's like most of my voice for Fire Winner and or if other producer contact with weekly, daily with rhythm, we just voice one place and make him take a voice because him understand Chuck Fender. It's like how jamming to them understand me back in the days. You see me I deal with that know say yo put Fender upon the rhythm here and put him upon the rhythm the way that long just have the rhythm there. You know what I mean? Put you know cause them
exactly the chemistry
know.
thing.
Same with John, you know what I mean? Same with other them long time producer that used to produce me like how Element and them man they used to produce me. That is how Fire Winner stay. You know what I mean? Them man they know you should him for go up on or him know how to cue my voice, him know what to do to make me have that real authentic sound that you know?
So well enough for cut it off and all the link they come about.
You know say we use just through the whole pandemic.
Yeah.
And then, you know, we have to go town and work out to produce them at town and all of that and then one day we just link up with him and we meet him up and thing and you know I see him and I say yo boom man I say, you know, I do the producing man. I say, yeah, man. I say, yo, come voice some song or something. Yeah. So some of them come and voice a song when you burn up. The one that name burn up. Just like when this two up turn up. I make a mistake and then I just sing one next song and I say, tell them to give me back my country, I sit a go steep. Who sell out the airport, who sell out the beach, who a pressure poor people, make no food, no eat. Who rape illegal girl, lambo, na in the street, who turn them youth in a gunman and the girl them in a freak. Run you know easy man, eternal fire. I must say, Fender. And that song them want and I say, you like it? I say, if me like it, me nobody want burn up. And from this I just history.
Yeah.
From this gun drunk rock, walk by field. Right now we have an album we're done. You know what I mean? Yeah. Cause him bring back a different approach. Him computer come like a joke thing to them man. Them man they can just go in and go bam 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 bam.
Yeah man.
You know what I mean? It work easy. You can't just buy them say, no man go on man, everything good. And when you get back a trouble.
Yeah man, him start it
so
out.
him bad them with it. So we just there on him and him show me certain things and me show him back certain things. So the knowledge of me have as a legend, as a man with a business long time and as a youth where him just a come. So we just share ideas.
Yeah, man, that's how it work,
so him just share certain things, you know. Like he make me meet some of the younger artists and where I come now, you know, like all I water and them youth there.
Yeah man.
Him make me meet them youth there. And I said, no, so them youth are natural, the youth are a cool youth. Me rate him.
And you wouldn't know otherwise.
No, I won't even know. Because I tell you, say, when he show me something, I say, yo, this youth, them the point now, this intense, this the bam bam. And I say, oh yeah. I say, yeah. So the man they show me certain levels with theme part of artists them.
Right,
you know, the young I'm still work with them with the same way, you know.
Yeah man, cause more in a field.
Yeah. So him balance both culture and him balance both dancehall. And him not go over derogatory with it like, you know.
Yeah man.
Him set a standard same way because him knows that spirituality same way come here teaching them thing there and I say, yo, don't defile up the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Even though you have to dance, set a standard and them thing there. When them youth come on you show them the longevity of a survive in our business. Because we did it from years, look how long we did it. And we still just grateful to we now for giving songs like Eternal Fire now in a 2021.
I really think
when we are kicking from around 96 from Fifth Element kick off 2003, 2002, so them time there and we still in them time you hold it and still have them youthful look your image and them thing there.
Yeah, man.
So we have to show him them thing there. But yet still him show certain things as a youth too. So me I deal with and him bring back a different mix the song them different. So we both enhance each other and we have a chemistry. Anything my voice in this or it.
Yeah, man.
Everything is like it's a whole new Chuck Fender rebirth. A Chuck Fender, even my child mother and look at me and say, yo, is that album here? Can I tell her, I call the album Eternal Fire and she has to call it Rebirth. Because it's really a rebirth. It's a whole different person, a different vibration. Because one at a time, people now hear me lose it. One at a time, I don't really say I lose it, but it's like, I can't even write.